the WordPress website, the rank math you used, but the issue is the meta keyword. In the rank math, there is no option how to put meta keyword. So this is the website. So when you paste search, so meta keyword is, there is no option how to put the meta keyword. So we have to update the global meta keyword to show the that's meta keyword is showing. So I am going the Gemini. Here is I am using the meta keyword. Copy this and I am going to the website. Here is here. Now we are going code snippet, header code. In the header code, we just put this meta keyword. Just save this. Already saved, so now comes here and we are checking again the meta keyword is getting or not. Run the audit. Sorry, now meta keyword is getting fine. Yes, meta keyword is getting now. So loading is 3 seconds. So 3 seconds is code is always, we need to speed up. So now 77%. SEO is 100% as working fine. So we are going now here. This is 64%. SEO is 85%. SEO is 85%. Just click this. So here I need 2-3 times to check this. The meta keyword is working fine now. So thank you. So you can update your meta keyword from your custom meta keyword from this header of the website. Thank you.